question, have you not walked out of like a film and went, no, I can't leave films, even if they're atrociously bad? So you just feel this sense of, I stay to the end of the scale. Absolutely if it, but I couldn't let it go.
That's interesting. You have to give it a certain amount of time. I think Johnny Wellington said, I had somebody who did